Hi, in this video we're going to continue solving the exercises. Now in this exercise, we have to tell whether the force is attractive or repulsive between each two magnets. In order to know the answer, we have to remember that the field lines are the key. If the field lines seem to be going from one magnet to the other, then the force is attractive. On the other hand, if they seem to be going away from each other, then they will repel. Now, between the first two magnets, the field lines seem to go from one magnet to the other. Then, is the answer attractive or repulsive? Yes, it is attractive. What about magnet 2 and 3, where the field lines seem to go away from each other? Yes, the answer is repulsive. Also, between magnet 3 and 4, the field lines go away from each other. Then the answer is also repulsive. That's correct. And finally, between magnets 4 and 5, the answer will be attractive, and that's also correct. Now in this question, we have a current passing in a wire from north to the south. And we have to know the direction of the magnetic field just above the wire. First, you think there is a magnetic field from the beginning or not? Of course there is. So the last option cannot be correct. Now in order to find the answer, we have to apply right-hand rule. The thumb is in the direction of the current, and the fingers will coil around as the direction of the magnetic field. So what is the correct direction? The magnetic field's direction is from east to west, and that's a correct answer.